Just waiting for the engine to warm up on the Hyper MT here. You can see I've cut some holes in the front of the body to aid the airflow, stop the engine getting so hot. And I've also cut some in the rear, right above where the engine is as well, once it's on the body post properly. These holes will hopefully get some air through the heatsink head, keep it running a bit cooler. Changing second then. Now it's in second. Doesn't seem very quick for some reason. There we go, second there. No second there. Now let me just turn the trim down a bit. It's not seeming to go in second. There we go. There we go, went in second nicely that time. %, opti-fuel RTR, 2-speed gearbox. can hear it shift. Pretty quick. I'm going to load the data now. (34 miles an hour). It's not actually that quick. Try not to crash into the tree. Yeah, it's definitely not that fast in the long grass. Definitely looks faster than 35 though. Try another speed run on it. (300 miles an hour). Try again. Spec4 again. Right, I've just finished running the Hyper MT Sport Plus Nitro. Unfortunately, I've broken a drive shaft launching it off this half pipe or quarter pipe ramp here. The rear drive shaft is actually broken. I'll just quickly show you. It's this one here. The truck can still move, but the pin that goes through the universal drive shaft has snapped, which is a bit of a bummer because I didn't get it on film. I was talking to a bloke for a bit about it and he was watching, so I wasn't filming at the same time. The holes in the windscreen and the holes in the back of the body seem to have worked to keep the temps down. The highest I've seen today was just over 120, and that was when I was doing speed runs going flat out up and down. So yeah, not been too bad today. Unfortunately, I didn't get any recording of it though, so that's a bit of a shame. Oh well, hopefully I will next time. I did get the speed runs of it. I only did 34 miles an hour, so that's not actually as fast as I thought it was, but it does seem to be struggling to get into second gear, which is a bit annoying. It's also got some dirt on it now. So anyway, that's it for this one. Goodbye.